Dear viewers, Assalamu alaikum. This is Anwar Hussain Khan here. Today I would like to talk about right form of verbs. Our today's lesson is right form of verbs. Learning outcomes. After this lesson, students will be able to learn. Students write the sentences using right form of verbs. Students fill in the gaps with right form of verbs with clues. Students learn the gaps with right form of verbs without clues. Look at the picture and the sentences. Mother loves her child. Ice melts in heat. Trees give us oxygen. Which tense is expressed by the sentences? Those are present simple tense or simple present tense. Can you tell why the sentences are present simple? Do the sentences express universal truth? If the sentence is universal truth, it will be simple present tense. In first sentence, mother is third person singular number, I is third person singular number, but trees is third person plural number. So in the first sentence, the verb love plus s. In the second sentence, melt plus s, but in the third sentence, give has no s. Give answers using right form of verbs. The sun rise in the east, it give us light, it be the most important source of energy for life on earth. The sun set in the west. In the first gap, we use rises. Here the sun is the third person singular number, so we add here s, and in the second gap, it third person singular number, we also add here s. In the third, we use is. Be verb is use because the subject is it. And in the fourth number, we use set plus s because the sun is the third person singular number. So we understand that if the subject is the third person singular number, in the present indefinite tense we use s or es. Look at the pictures and the sentences. He reads the Holy Quran every day. They attend the multimedia class regularly. Which tense is expressed by the sentences? Simple present tense or present simple tense. Can you tell why the sentences are present simple? If in the sentence there is every day, always, regularly, occasionally, usually, often, sometimes, daily, generally, the sentence will be simple present tense. যদি কোনো সেন্টেন্সে এই শব্দগুলি থাকে যে এভরিডে, অলওয়েজ, রেগুলারলি, অকেশনালি, ইউজুয়ালি, অফেন, সামটাইমস, জেনারেলি, ডেইলি, তাহলে আমরা অবশ্যই বুঝে নেব এটা হলো প্রেজেন্ট indefinite tense or simple present tense. here we use every day, so the verb is present in the present simple present tense, and regularly adverb here we use attend. It is present tense or present indefinite tense. Give answers using right form of verbs. The boy go to school regularly. He study attentively every day. He always speak the truth. He and his parents often visit their relatives. The answers here goes, and in number 2 studies, number 3 speaks, number 4 visit, because here subject is in the plural number. Look at the picture. Rana is playing cricket now. The wheel is moving on the line at this moment. Which tense is expressed by the sentences? Here the adverbs are now, at this moment, so they are present continuous tense. Can you tell why the sentences are present continuous tense? If in the sentence there is now, at this moment, at this time, the sentence will be present continuous tense. আমরা বুঝতে পারলাম যদি কোনো সেন্টেন্সে নাও, অ্যাট দিস মোমেন্ট, অ্যাট দিস টাইম ইত্যাদি অ্যাডভার্বগুলি থাকে, তাহলে আমরা বুঝতে পারবো এটা হলো প্রেজেন্ট কন্টিনিউয়াস টেন্স। আর যদি প্রেজেন্ট কন্টিনিউয়াস টেন্স হয় তাহলে আমরা অক্সিলারি ভার্ব ইউজ করব সাবজেক্টের পরে এম, ইজ, আর, এবং ভার্বের বেস ফর্মের সঙ্গে আইএনজি যোগ করব। Give answers using right form of verbs. We are watching car race now. The man rides a horse at this moment. The man is riding horse at this moment. গতিশীলতা, কন্টিনিউয়াসলি যদি কোনো ঘটনা ঘটতে থাকে, চলছে এরূপ বোঝায়, তাহলে সেটা প্রেজেন্ট কন্টিনিউয়াস টেন্স হবে। Look at the pictures and the sentences. I have recently visited Cox's Bazar. The train has just reached the station. Which tense is expressed by the sentences? Those are present perfect tense. In the present perfect tense, we use after subject have, and the verb must be past participle form. Here we use have and visited. The train has just reached the station. Here the auxiliary verb is has, and the verb past participle form reached. Can you tell why the sentences are present perfect tense? If in the sentence there is recently, already, just now, lately, yet, ever, the sentence will be present perfect tense. যদি কোনো সেন্টেন্সে এই অ্যাডভার্বগুলি থাকে, রিসেন্টলি, অলরেডি, জাস্ট নাও, লেটলি, ইয়েট, তাহলে সেন্টেন্সটি প্রেজেন্ট পারফেক্ট টেন্স হবে। Give answers using right form of verbs. They already leave the place. She just finished her homework. Topu lately get student visa or for USA? The answers are they have already left the place. She has just finished her homework. Topu has lately got student visa for USA. Look at the pictures and the sentences. It has been raining since morning. They have been enjoying rain for 1 hour. Which tense is expressed by the sentences? যদি কোনো সেন্টেন্সে কোনো কাজ পূর্বে শুরু হয়ে এখনো অবধি চলছে এরূপ বোঝায়, তাহলে সেটা অবশ্যই প্রেজেন্ট পারফেক্ট কন্টিনিউয়াস টেন্স হবে। In the present perfect tense, we use has been or have been, and we add ing, the base form of the verb. With the base form of the verb, we use ing. Can you tell why the sentences are present perfect continuous tense? If in the sentence there is for or since plus time, the sentence will be present perfect continuous tense. এখানে একটা সময়ের উল্লেখ থাকবে, যেমন সিন্স মর্নিং মানে সকাল হতে, আর 1 আওয়ার একটা সময় ব্যাপিয়া, এই জন্য এটা প্রেজেন্ট পারফেক্ট কন্টিনিউয়াস টেন্স হবে। Give answers. The boys fly kites since morning. The boys have been flying kites since morning. She read a book now. They work in the garden for half an hour. She, here the adverb is now, so we can say that this is present continuous tense. So she is reading a book now. And the second one, they work in the garden for half an hour, it is here said that a period of time, half an hour, so we take it the present perfect continuous tense. So they have been working in the garden for half an hour. Write the sentence using right forms of verbs. The students celebrate school's cultural program every year. Tigers be symbols of strength and courage. The students celebrate school's cultural program every year. Tigers are symbols of strength and courage. It's your homework. Write a paragraph about your garden, 5 sentences. That's the end of my presentation for today. I hope you enjoyed it. So last of all, I would like to thank you all for watching the video.